Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. Today we have a fun one, and it's about pimples and blackheads on the nose. And before the end of the video, we're going to talk about how you can help keep the pores on your nose as clean as possible. But first, please click the subscribe button for updates, and hit the bell if you want to see all of our age-restricted and exclusive popping videos. So, there are two types of comedones, open and closed. They equate to blackheads and whiteheads. They can range in size to looking like clogged pores, or they can be huge dilated pores. Acne can be anything from a simple pimple to cystic acne, like what you're seeing here. Oh yeah, and stick around because I'll show you some of my favorite cystic acne clips at the end. Nose pimples are somewhat common because they're on your dreaded T-zone. That's the oiliest part of your face. It includes the forehead, nose, and chin. You're most susceptible to pimples on the T-zone, although some people get them on their nose and chin as well. If you're looking to limit clogged pores and have smoother skin, a top-end gold mask will restore collagen, eliminate wrinkles, and unclog your pores. Some of these will cost $200 to $300. However, I'll put a link in the description for one that's under 20 bucks. There are also a lot of cool acne removal tools that can help remove pimples once they form. I prefer the 7-piece kit with various loops and a lancet. Of course, you have to be careful of low quality and miniature knockoffs that will only damage your skin. Again, I'll put a link to a high-end kit in the description below. It's about 15 bucks. Here's a look at some cystic acne and some of my favorite pops, as performed by an esthetician. So click like and subscribe if you enjoy watching a good pop. Thanks again for watching, and here's a little more information about my favorite gold mask. Adios. Hey folks, today we're going to look at a 24 karat gold facial mask. You just apply it, let it dry for about 20 minutes, and peel it off. The intent of the mask is to restore collagen and clean out your pores. The masks retail from $20 to over $200 on Amazon, but I'm going to put a link below to one that's under 20 bucks, and it's absolutely amazing. So, if you want to reduce your wrinkles and clean your skin, then pick one up. I'll put an Amazon link below. It's a great gift to give and a great gift to get. Don't forget to check out our favorite Pimple Popper Kit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon to make popping pimples a pleasure. It has a lancet for big whiteheads and cysts, a spade for dilated pores and corners, the cone extractor for thick blackheads, and loops of various sizes. You'll be able to pop any pimple in the house. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, many of which use similar online pictures, but are just low-end replicas. Pick up this professional kit by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.